Hey Loc Fanatic, stay tuned. I'm about to show you guys how to prep for aloe vera. Whenever you're getting aloe vera, you want to make sure you cut off all the thorns. You also want to make sure that you put the aloe vera in water and then drain it after about 10 to 30 minutes of it sitting in lukewarm water. I'm going to continue to cut off the outside layer, and you want to get as close to it as possible so you can keep all of the aloe vera inside, and then put it in a bowl and put it off to the side. And you're going to keep doing that until you have enough to actually make a couple of bottles. This solution is very slimy, so be prepared for the slime. Okay, so after you do that, some people put it in a blender. It just makes it smoother instead of having to mush it up by hand. So that's what I'm about to do now. And then you're going to see the end results of this amazing product. This has been another Loc production.